Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super exciting, how to save $10,000 in just 1 year. Now, I know what you're thinking. $10,000? That sounds impossible. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll see that it's totally achievable, even if you're on an average salary. So, let's dive right in. First, let's break down what saving $10,000 in a year actually means. $10,000 in 12 months is about $833 per month. That's about $192 per week, or roughly $27 per day. When you think about it daily, it feels a lot more manageable, right? The trick is to combine smart saving with small income boosts. So, let's go step by step. Step 1. Track every dollar. Rule number 1. Know where your money is going. Most people think they know. But when they track their expenses, they're shocked. A daily coffee here, online subscriptions there, food deliveries, it all adds up. So for the first month, track every single rupee or dollar you spend. Use apps like Mint, in-app, or even a simple Excel sheet. Once you see the leaks, you can start plugging them. Step 2. Cut the big three. Instead of stressing about small things, focus on the big three expenses. Housing, transportation, food. If you can save just 10–20% in each of these areas, you'll save thousands without cutting out your favorite snacks. Housing. Consider a roommate, negotiate rent, or move slightly outside the city center. Transport. If possible, use public transport, carpool, or even bike to work. Food. Cooking at home instead of eating out can literally save you hundreds each month. Step 3. Automate your savings. This one is powerful. Set up your bank so that the moment you get your salary, a portion goes straight into a separate savings account. Think of it like paying yourself first. If your goal is $833 a month, automate $400 or $500 right away. You'll be forced to live on what's left, and surprisingly, you'll adapt faster than you think. Step 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's a big trap. Every time people earn more, they spend more. That's called lifestyle inflation. You get a raise at work, and suddenly you're upgrading your car, dining out more, or buying the newest phone. If you want to save $10,000, you need to resist that temptation. Live like you're broke, even when you start making more money. Step 6. Challenge yourself. Saving money can feel boring, so make it fun. Try a no-spend challenge for 7 days. Or a cash-only challenge, where you withdraw cash and avoid cards. Or even a 30-day subscription detox, cancel services you don't need. Little challenges like these make saving a game instead of a punishment. So here's the bottom line, saving $10,000 in a year isn't magic. It's about tracking your money, cutting big expenses, automating savings, boosting your income, avoiding lifestyle inflation, staying consistent. If you follow these steps, you'll be amazed at how fast your savings grow. Remember, money saved is freedom earned. You're not just saving numbers in a bank account, you're buying yourself peace of mind, financial security, and future opportunities. So, start today, and a year from now, you'll thank yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who also wants to save money. And let me know in the comments, what's your saving goal for this year? See you in the next video.